my baby was okay. He was fat the time I leave my baby. And I called her the next day and asked her that I want to carry my baby so that I will take good care of my baby. And he also said that I must pay the hospital bill they spent on me. And I asked her how much is the hospital bill.
Hello, my beautiful people. I greet the full house from untouchable mama. How una day? Also, una day fine. Una do well, so una take the help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well, well. My people, una see this picture, so most of una go don see am. Now say me I bring am come for those wey never hear wetin dey go on, wetin happen for here. I'll just talk am little bit, then I'll put the video. Mona lis ten to the mama of this pikin. According to wetin she talk, she say she dey 18 years. She dey village. When she dey village, na know say when people go dey village, everybody na family for village. So this man wey dey for Lagos, e come village, come take am go city. E dey find person wey go dey help im wife because im wife newly born and im wife dey go work. So now e come say make this small girl make e come dey help dem for house. So when this small girl reach a town, e come reach Lagos, e come tell the wife say I get belle, say she wan comot the belle. Na the woman come tell am say no, make e no comot am. According to wetin the woman talk, I will still bring the update of the woman with the man wey carry the girl come Lagos. Then come say no, make e leave the belle, make e born am. So this girl come really leave the belle, come dey stay with them for Lagos. Come really leave the belle, come born. When this girl born, he come tell them say he wan go Lagos, say he wan go back to school, say because him family dey look for am. This one na the woman, while that one na the small girl wey born the pikin. So they say he can't go. She even talk and say she can't go Lagos and she can't go city, can't go village because he want go do something for home. But he not too tey, he can't come back. Say when he come back, he can't tell them say he need the pikin back. Now they can't tell and say they not dey give am. My people, I no understand though. Hey, say no, they not dey give am. Say unless he go pay the money wey they take discharge am for hospital, which is about 400,000, be 200,000. Now she talk. I will put the video now go listen. Say they can't hold the pikin. Then she come dey run up and down. He not come dey stay their house again because they not let her enter house. Now wait till she talk. Hey, my people, because of that one, they can't hold pikin. If na true, Baba God dey with them because the pikin now they don't lost am. The pikin now they not come dey give her food. Whether the pikin first dey sick or before the girl wey born am comot o, only God na know. We no know. But now wetin dem talk, na we take dey bring am come as so. Small pikin, at least say na 5 months na im dey. They just leave am like that. If una see the pikin, because I cover the face because of I no want me I show the face, even the before and after. The picture don dey for social media, don dey everywhere. Many people don see am. If na because of money, my people, more na no vex o, because me I get as I dey think am. If person dey owe you money, e no dey owe you life o. E no dey owe you life. If really say okay, they owe una money, wetin concern small baby? Una no even treat am, una dey give am food. Hey, my brothers and sisters, wonder shall never end. Not the way person no go see. And this woman na mother. May I put the video? Mona just listen. I'll bring the updates. Na bye bye.
My name is Gift. I was pregnant, and so there's one man that took me from village. He was taking good care of me. He was giving me something I want. So he paid my hospital bills when I gave birth to my baby. So yeah, after my
Where did you give birth to your baby? In Lagos or in the village?
in Lagos,
Which village?
Imo State,
Imo. Okay.
I gave birth to my baby on 11th June. So I traveled on August. I came back the same month. She started maltreating me and I don't like it. She liked to send me an area and I don't like it. On 1st November, she sent me an area around 2 o'clock. Everyone was dark. She asked me to go and buy bread and tea for her. So I went to buy and everywhere was dark. I don't know where to buy it. Then on my way coming back, I saw his husband in front of the door. He started shouting at me. He has go
Is
and
it the woman's husband?
yes,
But it was the husband that brought you from Imo State?
yes.
Okay, so you said she shouted at you.
That I have seen those Agboro boys. They don't use me finish. That's why I come back. I say no, it's not like that. He started shouting, saying that I will not sleep in this house. I will not sleep in this house today. He went inside and threw away my bag. The time I leave my baby with them, my baby was okay. He was fat. The time I leave my baby. And I called her the next day and asked her that I want to carry my baby so that I will take good care of my baby. And he also said that I must pay the hospital bills they spent on me. And I asked her how much is the hospital bill. He now told me that it's 200,000. I said okay, but first give me my baby. Let me take good care of. I will go and find the money so that I will bring it for you. He said no. Later he called the call. His wife called me back. She said that the hospital bill is 5 million. I must pay him 5 million before I take my baby. So I was wondering where will I bring 5 million to pay, and she don't want me to finish. She just cut the call. She hold my baby to my baby. She give him a condition he will not come out from. Now my baby is died.
How long did she hold your baby?
1 month.
1 month. Okay. How long have you been living with them? Did you realize you were pregnant in the village or when you started living in Lagos?
In Lagos.
So what you said it was when you got to Lagos you realized you were pregnant.
Yeah.
Did you tell her?
She's the one that took me to hospital and did tests for me.
Okay. So when did you give birth to the baby? When you gave birth to the baby, was the baby healthy?
Yes, very fat.
Sorry?
Yeah, it's very fat and yellow.
Okay. Have you seen the pictures circulating online? The before and after?
Yes,
Is that your baby?
yes,
The two pictures are your baby?
yes.
Okay. I would also like to ask, how many days did the baby use in the hospital?
2 weeks.
Okay, before the baby died.
Yes.
Okay. So what has been going on after since then?
I reported government have taken the issues, so they are treating the issues now.
Okay. So the man that brought you from village, who is the man to you? And who is the man to that woman?
He's a neighbor to me.
Is a neighbor to you?
He's not my brother, he's not my sister.
Okay. It's just a neighbor when you were in the village or where?
When I was in the village.
Okay. So how long have you been living with them before you gave birth?
In January.
This year?
Yeah.
To confirm, how old are you?
I'm 18 years now.
18 years now. Okay. Thank you so much, Gift. Thank you.